Up first this evening, Jamaica is buzzing with delight after Toni-Ann was crowned Miss World 2019 in London today. Toni-Ann emerged from a competitive group of 40 finalists to be the fourth Jamaican to win the oldest beauty pageant. TVJ's Giovanni Dennis has the story.
The moment.
Miss World 2019 is Jamaica.
Immediate reactions. Miss Nigeria in green couldn't contain her joy. But even before the announcement, Toni-Ann was winning, taking the talent title with her tantalizing rendition of this Whitney Houston classic. Mike Dixon is musical director for Miss World.
I think we've just seen a star in the making on that stage. She's extraordinary.
Toni-Ann was triumphant too in the tricky question and answer, the make or break segment.
Why should you win? What's special about you?
I think I represent something special, a generation of women that are pushing forward to change the world.
Who's the most inspiring woman for you in the world?
So you asked me a question to make me cry. Well, okay. The most inspiring woman to me is my mother. I have watched her pour everything into me, even at the sacrifice of her own wants and her own needs, and that's why I'm able to sit before you today. Thank you.
By this time, many in the audience were convinced the 23-year-old from St. Thomas deserved to win. Toni-Ann is the fourth Jamaican woman to be crowned Miss World. Her victory comes 26 years after Lisa Hanna in 1993. Cindy Breakspeare in 1976 and Carole Crawford in 1963 are the other two. The rapturous rejoicing online for Toni-Ann contrasts the controversy caused by the Annie Palmer-inspired costume Miss Jamaica Universe donned last weekend in the Miss Universe pageant. That aside, the refreshing reality and the symbolism of Miss Jamaica sitting at the helm of world beauty may be the perfect Christmas gift for Jamaicans at home and in the diaspora. Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.
And as expected, several persons had congratulatory messages for Toni-Ann.
Celebrations and congratulations everywhere today. Jamaicans in the street.
You me feel good for know that Jamaica win Miss World, you see me? And next thing I'm a parishing and that you see it, so you don't know. Jamaica to the world, motivate all black Jamaican. All Jamaican around the world know so we can do it, like Bolt and a Bolt alone, you know.
Well, I am so happy for Miss Jamaica Toni-Ann. I was so excited. You girl, we're proud of you.
A Jamaican, we're born as a champion. For Usain Bolt, Michael McCallum, top them down and done them.
Words can't explain how me feel. I just sorry I never me join Miss World and win. So yeah, girl, go on with yourself.
We just feel elated for you that Miss Jamaica win and all the blessing and all the things we happen in Jamaica. We can say we're a better nation if we put ourselves in the right perspective of everything.
We love to see enough more of them things, you see me? Enough more talent, enough more this, enough more beauty, enough more, you see me? If you're in Jamaica, you know the thing go. Everything life, man, you see it?
This is especially great to me, seeing as the whole Miss Universe fiasco just went on. So yeah, I'm really proud.
Local leaders were just as happy. Tourism Minister Ed Bartlett insisting the victory augurs well for Jamaica's tourism.
We want to say, Toni-Ann, you have made Jamaica proud and you are the quintessential product that continues to make Jamaica the exciting destination that the world sees us.
For Culture Minister Olivia Grange, today was a great day for all Jamaicans.
She represented Jamaica well at the Miss World competition. She brought to that competition a certain passion, a certain focus, determination, and more than anything else, she kept saying, "Minister, pray for me." and it was most touching.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Miss World 1993 Lisa Hanna were among those who also shared congratulations.
She's a special young woman, and she reigns for all young women who will see her as an example of great composure, humility, confidence, and intelligence.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.